Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sneha Majolia and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we will educate you about dentistry. In today's video, we will be learning about the post-extraction instructions that you should follow after an extraction. Let's get into it. So, after extraction is done, the dentist must have placed a cotton inside and asked you to bite on it for 30 to 45 minutes. This is really important because biting on the cotton will help the blood to pool inside the socket area and help in the formation of blood clot, which is the first step in the healing process. After 45 minutes, you're gently supposed to take the cotton out with your hand and throw it in the dustbin, eat an ice cream and then take a painkiller. The reason for taking the painkiller at this moment is that when your anesthesia effect wears down and your painkiller effect starts to work in, so you will have a very comfortable process throughout. Then you're not supposed to eat or drink anything from that side which is very hot, very spicy, very oily or very hard. You're supposed to be eating from the opposite side and something which is semi-solid or liquid is preferable. After extraction, the major instruction is that you're not supposed to spit for 10 hours. Spitting involves negative pressure which will dislodge the clot from its region and tend to form dry socket. So 10 to 12 hours, you're not supposed to spit at all. Whatever spit you're getting, you're supposed to swallow it in. After 12 hours, you can spit, but gently. You're not supposed to smoke, not supposed to drink alcohol, or not supposed to have any tobacco products. From the next day onwards, you're supposed to carry a bottle with salt in it and you're supposed to rinse your mouth every 2 hours so that the area of extraction remains clean, there's no food particles stuck in it and the healing is uninterrupted. You're not supposed to touch the area with your tongue to see whether the healing is happening properly or not, because the more you touch, you're going to disturb the blood clot and it might get dislodged. These are the most common instructions that are given. For more details, please contact us or book an appointment today. Thank you.